Gold and silver has seen a good swing earlier in the day. We have seen a good drop and then a sharper recovery. So what to expect now with the US session? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next video will be released for gold and silver before the Isha session tomorrow. This is the second update for the day today. And yes, if you want to get the live updates, you can also join my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. On the hourly charts, if you look at first the divergence here, you can see the moving averages have started to converge crossover, and this is the 6th or 7th bullish candle here. It has certainly bought gold to overbought levels, but it does not mean that the rally ends here. Now the support levels are seen first at 1954 and then at 1950. Only bearishness can be expected if it trades below 1950 levels. Because see, in the recent past we have seen 1950-40 giving it a good resistance there on the upside, and hence only if it trades below 1950 little more bearishness can be expected. Stochastic is back to overbought levels. MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking upwards here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also moving averages have started to converge. See, those are trading with parallel, or those are trading parallel, the prices diverge and then this convergence has happened. Remember, almost the bottom of the channel lying right now at around 1930 levels. Stochastic is back to overbought zone. The MACD is divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is looking upwards. And on the 3-hour charts as well, this is the second bullish candle. It can continue to stretch it for a while, and how far it can go, I will wait for it to break past 1965. Staying above 1965, there is 1970, and then this is the zone I will look forward for it to break out and pass by, that is 1985. Staying above 1985, more bullishness can be expected. Right now, if you look at it, is trying to trade in this channel. The highs are at around 1965 levels or so, 1965-70 zone. If it stays above this, more bullishness can be seen. Stochastic back to overbought levels, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking up. And if you look at the 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, to see consolidation here, taking the support from 1940, trying to breach the support here, it has seen a good reversal. And what we did discuss in the morning update, the divergence on the prices here. We also discussed, see the divergence here, it tried to converge, then a divergence and immediate reversal. Now if you look at the prices, are the moving average are still divergent and bullish here. So possibly we had discussed that it is going to converge, and that is what we can see. It is converging here. It has started to converge. This is the bullish sign. If it stays above 1965 and then 1985 levels, you should consider this for a reversal, and then we can expect a little more bullishness. Stochastic is near to overbought levels. The MACD started to diverge here and looking bullish. RSI is also started to look upwards. Now look at the daily chart. See, this is a channel we had discussed in recent past also, and since long we had been talking about this channel. On the daily chart, this is the bullish channel in which gold is trading, and precisely from the bottom of this channel now it is reversed, which is right now situated at around 1930. Though 1935 levels was a good support, it tried to breach this. Also, if you look at now these two candles here, you can see these candles. This should be considered as reversal. Almost symmetrical candle is formed, and hence 1965 for the day may provide a little resistance. Beyond that, it can try to give a further stronger move, taking it till towards 75-80 levels, and then I will look forward for it to break past by 1981. Now remember here, the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over here. This is slightly bearish sign, and it is going to be a good resistance at 1980 also. Stochastic trying to look upwards. The MACD here was, we had seen that long bearishness is seen, chances of it to converge exist. That is what has happened. This is started to converge. This may bring little more bullishness. And RSI is trying to look upwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 1964 levels and sell at 1954. Now 1954 and 1950, these are the two levels you should watch out for. If it stays below 1950, furthermore bearishness is going to prevail, which is going to take the prices a little lower, and then 1940 is what you can look forward to. That is a very, very good support for now. On the upside, above 1964, you can expect 1968, 70 first target, 75, 80, 85. See, every $5 till 85, we are going to get a good resistance, and above 85, we can see it flying high on the upside till towards 2000 levels this time. take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel and definitely trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details on same. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. See, first of all, a V-shaped recovery, and then this is the bullishness. Now remember, silver has yet seen 2335, 2340. These two as good resistance zone. Staying above 2340, silver will definitely try to fly for 2350, which is the next resistance, and then 2360. This is the zone which I will expect it to break out, pass by. If 2350 and 2360 are taken, then you can consider silver as reversal. So consider silver for a reversal, and then you can expect it to fly further till towards 2380, $24. Stochastic on the hourly charts is overbought. MACD has crossed over here and trading with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is also looking upwards. And if you look at the 2 hour, now see on the 2 hour charts, the divergence of the price from the moving average, then the convergence, then a little retracement. So this is starting to form a wave. Right now looking at 2360, that is what it appears, staying above 2340, more bullishness. You can see what it is trying to do. It is trying to create a channel. The highs of this channel now on the early charts are above 2360 levels also, and hence above 2340, you can stay long on silver. Moving, see, stochastic started to look upwards, and MACD also trying to cross over for a buy entry, and RSI is also looking upwards, showing a little strength there. Now, if you look at the 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, likewise, you will find the trading in the channel trying to break out. Certainly, it can bring little more bullishness. Also, if you look at the rise, retracement, and now the reversal here, 2340 is what I will look forward to. 2340, 50, 60. If these three are taken, it is going to give it a very good rise above 2360. We can expect 2318, $24 levels. Stochastic is seen rising here. MACD is divergent. RSI is looking upwards too. And on the 4 hour charts, now see, we discussed about something in the morning update and the previous update also, the divergence of the moving averages and the divergence of the price. See, it was divergent, taking the support from the bottom of the channel. Now it started to look upwards, and how far it can stretch. In fact, 2420, 2450 levels it can try to, because see, the moving average so far were trying to trade with divergence. Now it has started to move upwards, and hence staying above 2340 is something I will look forward to. If it stays above 2340, 50 and 60, these three levels, then more bulls will be seen in silver and it can fly. Else remember, see, 2340 we know has given it a little resistance, but every resistance is meant to be broken. And see, this is also likewise you will find, see, 2320 levels, my favorite, 2320, below which you can expect 2310, 23 as a very good support. Staying below 23 only, bearishness can be confirmed that it is going to drop again, else possibility of a bounce back exists. The moving MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking upwards and trying to trade bullish here. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, now it might give you similar size of candle. If it trades about 2340, we can expect a candle which is going to take it till towards 2360, and then in fact it can try to give it or take it further high. How far it can go? Now see, first of all, it is trying to trade in, there are two bearish channels. First is near term, and then is the long term. The long term which it is trying to trade is in 2420 levels, the resistance level, and at the same time the near term resistance it is going to get it at around 2360, 2350 levels. So yes, if it stays about 2360, more bullishness can be seen. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD is seen converging and trying to cross over, and RSI trading at bottom. Considering this, you can buy at 2340. Be alert till 2360, and about 2360 we can say further bullishness can prevail. And at the same time, a sell entry right now I will recommend is at 2320 levels, though a safe entry is below 2310, and then 23 is the next support level. Still 2280, the chances of bounce back exist very strong, and hence those who consider that silver is traded bearish till 2280, we should be watchful and cautious and alert. It is not yet a bearish confirmation. Till the time silver stays above 2280, it can again bounce back strongly. That is what we have seen it once. It can happen again. Hence, you have to be watchful with the Short positions on the downside, take a trade with a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.